This is a dismantling instructional video of FCU type fluid coupling. Now carefully observe the dismantling instructions. Dismantling starts with remove fusible plug. Remove output half coupling. Remove spherical collars and multi-disc assembly. Remove resilient driving plate. Remove runner half coupling by using appropriate puller. Remove key from shaft. Remove gland nut. Remove O-ring. Remove casing nuts, washers, bolts and dowels. Remove impeller sub-assembly using jacking bolts. Remove joint. Remove circlip. Remove bearing. Remove casing sub-assembly. Remove driving boss. Remove center spigot. Remove retaining plate. Remove O-ring. Remove gland diaphragm. Remove casing distance piece. Remove sharp distance piece. Remove bearing. Remove O-ring. Remove bearing housing. Remove O-ring. Remove filling plug. Remove bonded seal. Remove baffle and shaft. This completes the dismantling instructions of FCU. Please make sure all parts, tools and accessories are placed properly. Thank you for watching this instructional video.